The stock market is simply a marketplace, but instead of buying groceries, you're buying pieces of companies. When a company goes public, it sells shares to raise money. Buyers and sellers trade these shares, and the price moves based on supply and demand. It's the world's biggest marketplace, connecting millions of investors across the globe. Understanding it is your first step to financial freedom. People use stocks and shares interchangeably, but there's a subtle difference. A stock represents your ownership in a company. It's the big picture. A share is one single unit of that stock. Think of it this way. If a company is a pizza, the stock is the whole pie, and a share is one slice. When you buy shares, you own a piece of that company. Now you know the difference. Should you buy ETFs or individual stocks? An ETF is a basket of stocks bundled together, instant diversification with lower risk. An individual stock is a bet on one company, higher risk but potentially higher reward. Most experts recommend starting with ETFs to build a stable foundation, then adding individual stocks as you gain experience. The smartest investors use both. Build a balanced portfolio. If you don't control your money, it controls you. The 50-30-20 rule makes it simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% to wants, entertainment, dining out. And 20% straight to savings and investments. Track every dollar. Use an app, a spreadsheet, whatever works. The goal is awareness. When you know where your money goes, you take back control. Stock charts tell a story, if you know how to read them. Each candlestick shows four things: the open, close, high, and low price. Green means the price went up. Red means it went down. Look for patterns. Support levels where the price bounces back, resistance levels where it struggles to break through. Master the chart, and you'll make smarter decisions every time. Think you need money to make money? Think again. Step 1. Start small. Even $5 a week adds up over time. Step 2. Spend less than you earn. Cut the unnecessary expenses and redirect that money into investments. The secret to building wealth isn't a big paycheck. It's discipline, consistency, and time. Start with what you have. Build your empire from there.